I'm going to do something I never did before, so this is going to be a first time for a lot of stuff.
Y'all ready for this?
Actually, we just got hit with a hurricane, so it's kind of hectic at the moment. My yard's a mess. I got trees everywhere, all that kind of stuff. And I was just on Facebook, found this really good deal on a YZ125. Now, I got the YZ125 right here. Get used to this camera. There it is. I'll go around it in a second. But I found this good deal. It's a 94 YZ125. Now, the dude told me that it was a 2001. So I was like, okay, 2001, that's a perfect year for plastic swaps, all that kind of stuff. Upgrade it, make it look newer, everything like that. Well, after I got back to the house, unloaded it and all that, turns out it's a 94. So I was kind of bummed on that, but I only spent a couple $100 on it, so it's not really that big a loss. I bought it as if it was not running. So I was able to get the price way down past what he wanted to give. But he couldn't crank it up because he didn't have gas and all this kind of stuff. Anyway, the bike is in terrible condition. We're going to do a full rebuild, but we're going to try to make it look really good and run really good. It's missing a lot of plastics, a lot of covers, the inner clutch cover, it's missing. So clutch cable, I haven't even drove the bike yet. I did, once I got home, put it all back together, I did a quick, just poured gas in the carburetor, started it up, made sure it ran, and it crunk up. 2 kicks. It started up, revved up high. I was kind of excited. A couple $100. We'll see what we can do.
Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for that rider's anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrub out, we whip out, we pin out. Damn right, we ride. Okay, now it's out right here in Tennessee. Catch me down at Muddy Creek, busting all those buttons. Bitch, you can't do it like me. KTM on my dirt bike. Motor hose I don't like. 2-stroke I ride. Mixing gas for light. Wind up the gate. Adrenaline pumping. I'm thinking about jumping and passing all these lanes. King of the whole shot. They call me Katrina. Get right to the front of the lane. I'm whipping and dipping and diving. These corners, no brakes. I need it from A. You know I'm on my grind, 'cause I be out here to race. Trizzy getting better in my first place. Always gonna shine on Sunday. 2-7 looking like Davinci. Yeah, and you know about my paper, 'cause I be shredding cheddar like a damn she's greater. Riding on that lumb, you know we got it made. Scrub paddy gon' cut A in the way. Moto is my motivation. So gas up for the riders anthem. We ride dog, we ride dog, we ride dog. Damn right, we riding dog. We scrub dog.
But anyway, if anybody's a professional at changing over a 94 and upgrading it, making it look a whole lot better, then send me a direct message, get a hold of me some kind of way, because I'm going to try to make it look super nice. Powder coat it, take it all apart. Yeah, like I said, if you have any suggestions or anything that you think might look good on it, just hit me up.